Hi everyone, I welcome you all at Mystic Light Path by Deepika Taneja, and today I will be giving you the readings for all the zodiacs for this week, which has started from 26th, which is today, Monday, till the 1st of November. So I will not waste the time and I will just start the reading. Reading for the Aries sign. So Aries, this week will be very good if you want to start anything new. Any changes you are planning should be executed during this week. It will be of really great help and will prove very fruitful. Also, the angelic message for Aries says you can do anything if you believe in yourself. So, believing in yourself is very important for the Aries sign, at least this week. Otherwise, also, everyone should believe in themselves, right? So, Aries, you just have to go ahead and take decisions and execute the changes and plannings that you are doing. The next reading is for the Taurus zodiac for this week. सो द टॉरस ज़ोडिएक आप लोगों को शायद ऐसा लग सकता है दैट यू माइट फील डिस्टर्ब्ड और थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज्ड इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीक. यू माइट इवन फील लो ऑन एनर्जी, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू ब्रिंग बैलेंस इन योर लाइफ दिस वीक. बैलेंस इज द की वर्ड फॉर you. Balance and harmony are really important. Also, by the end of the week, you will see your relationship growing a lot. There will be very positive things happening at a relationship level, or even if you are planning for a partnership or anything with in collaboration with something, this week is really good for Taurus. Now the next reading is for the Gemini. So the general reading for the Gemini is थोड़ा सा आप लोग गुस्सा कर सकते हो, या इस हफ्ते आपको ऐसा लग सकता है दैट यू आर क्वाइट एंग्री टुडे. जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर एंगर, ट्राई टू कंट्रोल योर टेम्परामेंट एंड बी वेरी क्लियर विथ योर थॉट प्रोसेस एंड योर कम्युनिकेशन. आपको किसी भी कम्युनिकेशन या लड़ाई झगड़े से भागने की ज़रूरत नहीं है जेमिनी साइन. यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन वट एवर इज हैपनिंग. इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. यू हैव टू फेस द थिंग इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मैनर एंड यू विल सी बाय द एंड ऑफ द week all the issues and the problems that would have started वो एकदम resolve हो जाएंगे. And the angelic message for Gemini says, if in case you feel that you're nervous or kahin na kahin you're feeling stressed, so you can call on angels and take their help. Also, you can follow law of attraction for your growth and whatever thing you want to attract. Now the next reading is for the Cancerian sign. So all the Cancerian people, I'm seeing this week might prove little challenging for you. Also, you have to be very clear with your communication. Kahin na kahin, I'm seeing that you might not be able to express your feelings, and by the same time, people might not be able to understand what you are planning or what you're trying to express to them, which may lead to a lot of sleep issues or stress also in you. But that's completely okay. This is just a matter of 1 week, and you will see all the problems and the troubles going away by the end of the week. But also I am seeing you should be a little careful while taking any important decisions, Cancerian sign. Now the next reading is for the Leo zodiac for this week. Leos, so you will be full of energy and strength this week. I'm seeing you will be able to handle whatever situation you are into. Also, it's completely okay if you want to take help from anyone else. At times, you feel that taking help is not a very great option, but that's completely okay. You can take help from people if you are looking forward for. Also, work on your own energy. It is a very beautiful time when you can harness your own energy, Leo. So आप जितना अपनी abilities, अपने energies पे काम करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा आपको फ़ायदा होगा. Leos के लिए I would specifically suggest if they can get in touch or they can pray to divine feminine energies or any goddess whom they believe into, that will be of really help to them. Now the next reading is for the Virgo sign. For this week, Virgo, for this week. Virgo, it is a very good time. At the start of the week, you might feel that you are being guided by divine energies, and a lot of spiritual growth is there in your cards. And also, as a you might, if people who are looking for a mentor can go and may find a very good mentor in their life. But in between, you might feel little obstacles in terms of the financial things. You might feel little stuck, but that's okay. It is all the cause and effect. Whatever you are doing, you will get, so don't worry, it is just a matter of time. Also, if you are planning, Virgos, if you are planning for an investment this week, it is a very good time. You can think of an investment. Agar financial issues है, so by the same time I'm seeing that you might get an opportunity where you will see lot of growth or abundance chances coming in. So if you find that chance, please go ahead. And also, अगर आप invest करते हैं कहीं भी, तो आपको इस week investments में फायदे हो सकते हैं. The next reading is for the Libra zodiac. So Libra, you have to be very careful while you are seeing any opportunities और आपको कोई भी options मिल रहे हैं, because at times आप इस हफ्ते में ऐसा हो सकता है कि you might get a chance, but कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने पुराने या past experience से इतना ज़्यादा परेशान हो चुके हैं कि आप नई opportunities पे ध्यान ही नहीं देंगे. So just be very careful, and it's good, always good to keep aside your ego. That will be of really help if you may not feel really कहीं ना कहीं anger issues या frustration दिखाना, you should avoid this week. Otherwise, I'm seeing a lot of balance and positivity and good relationship will be there this week. But just keep your eyes and ear open. You might get really new opportunities to work which you may not see. And also, please be very careful while you're taking the decisions, Libra. Now the next guidance, angelic guidance, is for the Scorpions. Scorpion, so it is a really good week. Only you need to take care of your base chakras and also the stability. You are feeling a little unstable for some time. Things are going haywire and you're not able to take decisions, so that's completely okay. Please आप अपने base chakras का ध्यान रखिए. Just work on the root chakra. If you are you don't know how to take care of your root chakra, you can go through the videos which are there on my page. And apart from that, it is a very good week to manifest anything that you want. Also take care of the energies around you. You might feel low at times, और यू माइट फील दैट कहीं ना कहीं कुछ स्टक एनर्जीज है या चीज़ें आपको बहुत बॉदर कर रही है. सो यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली गो फॉर अ nazar utara or something that will be of help to you. Otherwise, nothing else is a problem. And by the end of the week, I'm seeing you might feel little confused when it is when it comes to taking some important decision about your career. So be very clear about that, what you want to do, and decide your goal accordingly. Decide and take decisions. Now the next reading is for the Sagittarius people. So Sagittarius people, this week will with changes. You might feel certain changes at a relationship level also, which can lead to certain problems in your relationship or in your partnerships if you are doing. So there can be a little misunderstanding, or also there is a possibility that you might be surrounded with some kind of jealous energies, which is perfectly okay. You can cut your cords and take care of this particular part. Otherwise, overall the vibes of the week will be little confused, और कहीं ना कहीं आपको ups and downs feel हो सकते हैं. Now the next reading is for the Capricorn zodiac. So Capricorn, this वीक कहीं ना कहीं आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा थोड़ा ज़्यादा, बिकॉज ऐसा भी हो सकता है जो आप डिसीजंस ले रहे हो और जिस प्लानिंग के साथ आपने डिसीजंस लिए थे वो फ्रूटफुल ना हो, या कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ अपने डिसीजंस बहुत बहुत वाइजली लीजिएगा. एंड ऑल्सो अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो भी आप डिसीजन ले रहे हो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको फ्यूचर में बहुत फ़ायदा देने वाले हैं, या कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा इल्यूजन से क्रिएट हो रहे हैं. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद फ़ायदा मिल सकता है, बट दिस इज़ जस्ट एन इल्यूजनरी सिचुएशन. सो प्लीज़ बी वेरी वाइज व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग एनी डिसीजन. ऑल्सो द सजेशन और द वाइब्स ऑफ द वीक जनरली सेज कि प्लीज़ आप पहले प्रायोरिटाइज करिए अपने काम कि आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है और किस डायरेक्शन में करना है, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली टेक डिसीजंस. इट इज़ नॉट रियली गुड टाइम टू decide and go ahead with anything. Now the next reading is for Aquarius. So the people Aquarians are, I'm seeing, are generally full of hope this week, full of hope and inspiration, and also overall this week will be very happy and abundant for you. You might feel all, you might get a good news also, but by the same time please take care कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा emotions में ना बह जाएं और बहुत ज़्यादा emotionally overwhelmed ना हो जाएं. So just take care of that part, otherwise this week is really going to be very happy for you Aquarians. Also, if you have carrying any past traumas or any guilt, you can release this week. The next reading is for the Pisces zodiac. सो पाइसेस, वॉट एवर एफर्ट्स यू हैव बीन मेकिंग, अभी तक आपको ऐसा लग रहा था कि कहीं ना कहीं वो वेस्ट हो रहे हैं, आप उन एफर्ट्स को कहीं ना कहीं सही डायरेक्शन में इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, बट दैट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. इस वीक ऐसा हो सकता है पाइसेस कि आपको कोई पॉजिटिव न्यूज़ मिल जाए, या एक कोई छोटा सेलिब्रेशन हो सकता है आपके यहाँ पे, या एक गेट टुगेदर भी हो सकता है. सो ओवरऑल आपका जो स्टार्ट ऑफ द वीक होगा वो बहुत एंथुजियास्टिक होगा, बट बाय द एंड ऑफ द वीक यू माइट फील लिटिल सैड और थोड़ा सा गिव अप मोड में आ जाए या परेशान हो जाए, बिकॉज द सराउंडिंग, द थिंग्स अराउंड और द पीपल अराउंड माइट बी रियली कुछ हो सकता है ऐसा कि वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव ना हो, जिस वजह से आपको थोड़ा परेशानी हो सकती है. बट ओवरऑल आई एम सीइंग इनिशियल स्टार्ट विल बी रियली गुड. थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू लर्न टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज पाइसेस, कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कीजिए और यू विल सी योर थिंग्स और your things and the events will move in the direction you suggestions, anything that you want me to put on my page, do share your feedbacks, and thank you so much. I will be back with another video next week. Thank you.